Hello, welcome back. Let's create this spinning text effect in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program where there will be this text that will be wrapped around a circle, and then it will be duplicated and then rotated according to the shifting angle. So let's create one. Hold the left click button, head over to ellipse tool to create a circular path. Hold the shift key on your keyboard, drag it just like this. Click here, place it to the center just like this. Afterwards, you get to create a text by holding the left click button here and then click on type on a path tool, which will allow the text to be wrapped around this path. Just like this. Type anything, for example, subscribe to tongue tips, subscribe to tongue tips, and then you can adjust the size of the text so that it fills the entire circle, the entire circular path, that's to say. For example, this, hold on, 270, no, 260, 260 will do. And then afterwards, once you've done with wrapping the text, you can color it. For example, white to white, and then double click on this one to add some stroke or the outlines, and then make it black, or maybe make it dark blue, just like this. Afterwards, you increase the width of the stroke or the outlines to whichever rate that you want, and then afterwards select the text and then click on effect, distort and transform, and then hold on, no, not yet. Click on this one, effect, distort and transform, and then click on transform to duplicate the text, and then set the shifting angle to 5 degrees and the horizontal value to 90, and then the copies to, let's say, 30. We shall look at the preview. Click on OK. There you go. You've created a spinning text effect in Adobe Illustrator. This text has been copied into several more with a different position, because each of these texts has been rotated according to the shifting angle. That's how you can create this spinning text effect in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.